by using Composer now you can able to create the manuals like this. And even you can create the animated HTML files simply by just clicking on one icon. Now you can able to switch.
This doesn't bring the animation. Animating the image also works, right?
Yes.
So I will use.
Yeah, finally you can utilize that images into Word documents. And this is about Digger tool, how we can utilize and how we can modify zoom in, zoom out, and onion screens and extra views and all. Creating bill of materials and annotations.
Yeah. Excellent.
Yeah, so that's all about this. So we're gonna cover these all the topics here. Just check whether that is downloaded or not.
No, it is only 13 MB.
Okay,
I don't know it is why it is slow.
fine then. So you already seen this one. This is a small glimpse about SOLIDWORKS Composer user interface. So
Hmm.
this is the ribbon bar. You can see now. Here you're
Okay.
gonna get the tools.
This is the composer view.
Composer actually the user interface. Now how the SOLIDWORKS CAD user interface will be there now. So
Okay.
this is what the composer user interface will be. This will look like this. This is the same. You'll get the features like extrude and all tools. No, same thing.
Okay.
This is a ribbon bar, and this is the workshop. The final high quality images and videos and each and everything will be available on this particular workshop tab. And this
Okay.
is the quick access toolbar. From here you can able to access the tools and even the transform tools and geometries and all. You'll be having the command manager inside the SolidWorks CAD, no? So you'll be
Mm-hmm.
having these tools here at the top.
Okay.
And this is the view pane. Here you can able to create your own views and update them, and you can even use them to create the animation videos. Whatever
Mm.
the views you create here, no, you simply drag and drop it here. That will automatically create the animations inside the timeline. Okay. And this is
Okay.
very important here, the property pane. Here you can able to make all the kinds of modifications. Very important. So Composer is very easy, okay, compared to SolidWorks, even SolidWorks CAD. It is very easy to learn.
But I didn't get you. Means I didn't. I was not able to listen you. Maybe sound system. property pane, what you are talking about?
The property pane, no? So this property pane will help us to deal with all the kinds of properties, changing the colors and modifying the
Okay.
actors and all.
Hmm.
So the SolidWorks Composer is very user friendly compared to even SolidWorks CAD also. Okay,
Okay.
we can learn this one in within short period of time.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, so let me just showcase a simple case study. This is the composer. Okay,
Hmm.
you already know the icon. This will be look like this. SolidWorks
Yeah.
Composer 2021. You just need to click on it. So it will give this one. As I told, so this is the ribbon bar, view palette, the property
Hmm.
pane, and timeline. Okay, and this is
Okay.
workshop. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Now if you want to browse any of the component here, you need to remember whatever the files you save here, that will be in the form of SMG format. Okay, write down if you want SMG.
Just a
So
second.
you
I
can,
have to write.
yeah,
Just.
select this option here. You can see open now, and from here you can browse a location. So let's say I want to deal with SolidWorks Composer.
Yes.
From here I'll browse
Solid
this one. That's the number one.
work
This one.
composer.
I'll open it, and this
Okay.
will look like this. Okay,
Hmm.
and here you can see this is the component. You can rotate and tilt. For example, here you can see multiple views has been created. And this is the
This
bomb
is
table.
automatic.
No, like it is. I have created it just to
Ah. Okay.
showcase
Okay.
you. I am just showcasing what and all the capabilities are available. Okay,
Ah. Okay. Okay.
and here you can able to add the magnetic line with respect to that. The bomb also you can add it. You can see with respect to the bomb, it is indicating. If I
Yes.
just
Yes.
hover on it, no, it will showcase the
Hmm.
component where exactly it has located. And even you can create this kind of images
Okay.
by
Yes. Yes.
using the digger tools, and you can even
Hmm.
annotate the names and all. And then like this, you can able to add the actors indicating how they have moved from where and all.
Ah. Yes. 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 This path. This thing is
Yeah,
important.
and finally how the components has been exploded and how they're gonna look, their screws and all.
Hmm.
And to deal with animation, so whatever the views you have created now, you just need to simply drag and drop here. Okay, in this timeline, if you
Hmm.
want to switch to animation mode, you need to select this option. This is now camera mode. If you click on this icon, it will take you to the animation mode. Now you can simply play this
Okay.
animation here.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay,
So main
this,
thing is that creating these views.
yeah, that I'll explain, don't worry. Still
Ah.
SolidWorks CAD assembly animation is pending, so I'll cover that one.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now, for example, the thing is, what is the main advantage of SolidWorks Composer? You need to remember. For example, so I want to make the modification into this particular model. Okay, this one here.
Hmm.
If I make changes, it should update everywhere. Got it?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is the main concern. Otherwise, if you make any PPT or if you any make the any Word format and all, you'll be adding the images. No, these all the images will be added over there, right? For
Yes.
example, let me just showcase the file. So this is the instruction manual. Okay, with respect to this, and here you
Hmm.
can able to see there are few images, right? One, second, and third, fourth, fifth, right?
Yes.
The thing is, in this particular assembly, there the revision comes, and then I need to add the stiffness inside ribs.
Okay.
So let's say I simply update the model. So you can select this option here. where is it, update, and select SolidWorks Composer document, and I'll select this option, that is the final updated views.
Okay.
Once you do that, each and every views will be updated here, you can see. And the last
Yes,
one,
yes.
each and everywhere it has added, right?
Yes.
But what
Where?
about our Word format? Here what we can do, here also it should update, no? That is the main
Yes.
concern, right?
Yeah.
Again going back over there and making the changes, it's gonna take too much time, isn't it?
Yes.
So for that we have the option here inside. If you link the, while inserting the images now, you need to use the option link and insert. Okay,
Okay.
if you do that, you can have the option here, that is edit link to files, and you can select this option, select all here,
Hmm.
and select this option, update now. So if you do that, each and everything will be updated. I think not right now because I need to make some changes over there. Yeah, it got updated.
Okay. Yes.
You can see now.
Yes. Yes.
This is very advanced one. So if this should be there, right? So if you are dealing with the multiple repair manuals and assembly manuals and service
Hmm.
manuals,
Hmm.
this plays very important role over there. You already know there will be multiple revisions, and for example,
Yes. Yes.
in 2021 you have launched one product, right?
Hmm.
And then after 6 months you need to make some changes, modifications or updates you need to make.
Yeah.
In that case again you need to create the new repair manuals, so that will be costly, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So at that time
It will
this will
be
help.
easy. Yes. Yes. It will be easy.
Clear, no?
And
Any doubts here?
yes. 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 For example, suppose I'm taking one particular one component. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
From anywhere,
Okay.
and I will change. Okay, suppose dimension or anything, I can change directly, right?
Yes, exactly.
Dimension also. Okay, no problem.
Everything you
I
you
think
just need to make the changes into CAD model. Okay, you can directly browse your CAD models, SolidWorks files inside the what composer directly,
yeah,
and you
yes.
can create the SMG files of it. And if you make the updates also, that also you can directly update. Don't worry about it. I'll showcase these all the stuffs.
Okay, okay.
So once your files are ready, you can just showcase so that I can proceed
I think
further.
it is 35% only.
What I'll do is I'll
Okay,
take simple example for you. Okay, instead of this.
okay, okay, okay.
So this is simple case study. You already know what to do here. So you got to know,
Yes,
right, what exactly the user interface looks
yes,
like,
yes, yes,
and how
yes.
to check the views and how to switch between and how to deal with the
Hmm.
animations.
Yeah,
Simple. And you need to follow the same. Okay, whatever the
yeah.
thing I did, you need to open the lesson number 1 and make the same changes.
Hmm.
And I'll be uploading this video. You refer it and you can redo it. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. I know.
Yeah. Let me just check whether it is recording, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this you already know. What I'll do is I'm not gonna deal with the case study. I'll simply utilize any of the files. So I have downloaded multiple files. Let me just check. Okay.
Yep.
Mm,
That.
Centrifugal pump. Yeah, this one.
Yes.
So I think you have seen this model.
Yeah, I have seen. Yes.
Yeah, I think I have created the video for you. So
Yes,
to
yes, yes. I
showcase how
have
it's gonna
seen.
work,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Perfect.
This kind of animations we could able to create here. Now, for example, there is no views inside this view pan, right?
Yes.
So now how to create the views. I don't want these pipes and these supports. So how to remove them? You can switch to assemblies here, and you can
Mm.
uncheck what and all you don't need. I don't want the pipe. I don't want these parts. Okay, you can uncheck like this.
Okay.
What and all you want, what and all you don't want, you can select from here only directly. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So now this is the file which I need. What I'll do is I'll switch back to views, and you can utilize. Let me just toggle off this one. I want to work on the full screen. You can use this
Mm.
option. Can you see this?
Okay.
Hide
Okay.
and show paper mode. If you select this,
Mm.
you can able to work on full screen,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Now I want to change the display style, so it should be realistic. So for that we can utilize these options. You can see here render options.
Okay.
So here there are few modes, that is smooth and even smooth with outline. You can see the changes over there.
Yeah.
And then again shaded illustration,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And even we have the shaded illustration with color and shaded illustration without slouch. So these all are the
Yes.
industrial
Anything I can consider, right? Within
yeah,
that.
anything you can consider. Better utilize the these only flat. Technical is there, no? Technical will
Technical.
be better one. And even the different whatever like I prefer smooth and smooth with outline and the technical one usually.
Okay. Okay.
And even you can utilize these all the steps because the composer is of very great tool.
Mm.
And even we have the options to deal with points and wireframes also, so this will look like great, right?
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So we can utilize these tools. So
Yeah.
right now I'll directly go ahead with the technical. Okay. And
Yeah.
even you can see here we can add the bottom grid to have it. You can even add the mirror and even
Mm.
shadows. Okay.
Yes.
And
Yes.
even if
Yes.
you want to add the glow, you can even add it. Ambient occlusion, shadows
Okay.
for the components, prefixel you can remove it. Even you can add the lights wherever you want. High
Okay.
quality mode, like this you can customize it. Okay, these all
Yeah.
are the
Yeah.
render tools. Later
Yes.
on while explaining I'll explain how to use it. Now I want to create a view for this. So what to do, you just need to select this icon. You can see, no,
Hmm.
create a view. If you just select
Great.
this option, it will create that view. Okay.
Okay.
And now I want to hide this component. You can simply select this option here, right click and select hide selection. Okay. And even you can hide this one inside one. And
Okay.
one more view I need here. So for that again,
So we need to hide which I don't require
yeah, if
for
you
the
don't
view.
want you can simply hide it, otherwise you can go to assembly tab and you can uncheck the options here.
Ah,
Okay,
yes, yes. Both the options are there.
both our
Okay.
options are available. And now I want to update this, and if you right click and if you select this update view, it's gonna update the same view here. So don't do that, you click on this icon again, create a new view,
Okay.
so that will be here. Got it?
Yes.
And next thing is this one I'll hide again. So I need this as a new one. So what I'll do is I'll just rotate like this and I'll again click on this icon. And for example, if you want to make some changes into this view, what you can do, you can just simply directly go over there, and I want this view should be added over there. This will look somewhat attractive. You can simply right click and select this update view. Okay, that will be updated.
Okay. Okay.
And you can switch like this. Okay.
Yes.
And now for example, if you want to create the animations for this only, all the three views, what you can do is you can toggle the timeline. The timeline is missing now. If you want to add it, you can simply select it here. Otherwise, if it is not available, you need to switch here in the Windows and select this option, timeline. Okay,
Okay.
it will add here. Now I need to
Yes.
create the animation. You need to switch to animation mode.
Yes. Animation.
Click on this icon. Okay.
Yes.
And now what you need to do is simply you need to drag and drop the views. For
Right.
example, I need this view. I'll add it here, and the second should be here on 3 second, and this view should be on 5th one. Yep, there was a slight inconvenience with the component before. So here what you can do is you can simply hide the component which you don't want, as I showed before. Simply right click and select hide component. Yeah, So once you do that, you can update the view by just selecting this option called update new view. You could switch between the views like this. So now I need one more view. So in this, I'm gonna just hide this blue color portion in the front. So, and I'm gonna update the same by just selecting the update view, by just placing it as per my orientation required, and I'll simply update the view. Okay, so once you update it, you can able to switch between the views like this. And finally, to create the animations of these by just simple drag and drop method, you can switch to animation mode by just clicking on this icon. You can delete these all the previously created views, and you can simply drag and drop the views. Let's say they should be here. I'll switch again to animation mode. At 0, I'll place the first view, and at 2 seconds I'll place the next view, and the at 4th second I'll place the third, and last one at 6th second. And simply you can just play this animation. So later on you can just make the modifications by changing the actors and creating the better video by just dealing with the actors, so that we can cover in the next session. So this is all about this session. Thank you, stay tuned.